flying 2,800 kilometers.
From Beijing to Urumqi.
I am at Jiaqu in China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region.
We will explore green cooperation along the Silk Road. Xinjiang, we are coming.
Now I'm at the cotton field at Jiaqu, which is around 2 hours drive from Urumqi. I don't know how to put it into words, but the field is so huge and green. If you look closely, we can already see quite some cotton balls. And the farmers here told me that in about 1 month, this massive field will be all white. The story we're telling today is not only about cotton, it's also about water resources. Gong Lunquan, 60 years old, is a local farmer.
滴灌好就好在，它省水。一般你要不滴灌的话，将近1000方水，800方水。像现在这个滴灌，也就是最多是450方水。高的地方也能出苗。你不像盐灌那个低的地方淹死了，高的地方它还旱，那样子也没产量。
In terms of water resources management, we talked to Dr. Chen Xi, a researcher at the Chinese Academy of Sciences who leads a project on the interaction and cooperative management of the water ecosystem in the Central Asian region.
针对这个咸海流域，它的这个节水的灌溉的问题，那么我们集中了这个技术团队，那么把这个中国的技术，那么在乌兹别克斯坦、哈萨克斯坦这些地方进行实验示范。那么在这个区域人类活动开发的同时呢，那么咸海这个湖泊原来有6.8万平方公里，那么但是呢，经过开发以后，大量的水的这个饮用，以后呢，就是这个湖泊呢减少了90%，那么只剩下6000平方公里。那么裸露出来的这6万多平方公里的这个湖底，那么成为盐尘暴、沙尘暴的源头。那么对周边的几百万人口，包括对中国和这个东欧这一块都产生了很大的影响。如果是采取我们新疆目前的先进的节水灌溉技术，那么大幅的降低这个灌溉用水，那么会节约出来一部分水量。我们大概测算了可以节约80到100亿方的水量，那么进入到咸海就能恢复这个前期说的这个大量的湖面。
RLC it start to be a very global problem. I'm sure, and I saw many times when I visited to China, there is sciences with a high potential to discuss these questions, and we need the help of science to solve the problems of RLC.
Hozir biz fermer xo'jalik dalasida turibmiz. Kelajak ovqatın fermer xo'jaligi 2023-yilda 20-aprel kuni ekilgan mana shu paxtamiz Xitoy tajribasi asosida bu paxtamiz podplyonka qilib mana qo'shqotar qilinib ekilgan. Hozirgi mana bugungacha bo'lgan holati mana bu paxtamiz ochilib
周边国家和我们这个新疆区域其实是一个相通的，我们共同拥有一个天山，所有水都是这一个天山下来的。